Feeling bloated and out of sorts? Your gut might be the culprit. Let's dive into the fix. Leaky gut syndrome sounds scary, right? But don't worry. At Patients Medical, we're here to help. Leaky gut happens when your gut lining gets inflamed, letting unwanted stuff slip into your bloodstream. Yikes! What causes this? Think chronic stress, poor diet, bacterial imbalances, and even some medications. Symptoms can range from tummy troubles like bloating and constipation to mood swings and joint pain. But guess what? We've got a plan. Introducing our 4-step protocol: remove, replace, repair, and rebalance. We start by booting out the bad stuff from your diet. Then, we add healing foods like bone broth and omega-rich goodies. Next, targeted supplements come into play to repair your gut lining. Finally, we rebalance your gut flora with prebiotics and probiotics. Ready to heal your gut? Contact Patients Medical today and reclaim your health. Your gut will thank you.